What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and we're back today with another video. And you already guessed it. In case you didn't know what time of the year it is, it's morphin' time. Oh, my bad. Sorry, wrong show. It's Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra time. And that's right. If you've been watching some of my other videos, I've clowned on it. I've said it's not worth it this year. But listen, I'm a big enough person. I can admit sometimes I'm wrong, okay? I can admit that. So, anyways, I'm going to check this out, and I'm going to do a separate video unboxing these Mama Jammas right here. And people like comparison videos, so probably what I'll do is I'll do a comparison video of this against my new AirPod Pros, because that's what they seem to be getting compared to this year. So y'all stay tuned for this. It's going to be in the works. Just give me a little bit of time. So without further ado, let's keep it short and sweet with this unboxing and see what we've got this year for the new Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first things first, guys, the box is going to be different. And what I want to do is I want to show you a comparison of last year's box, just so you can kind of see, hey, what they were working with. So this is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the box that they had last year. Kind of like the way they did the little silhouette there. And you guys can notice this year, they brought it in a little bit closer, gave you a zoomed in look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and flip this open. Take the top off as they would, and then see what we're working with. All right, we got that top off now. Let's go ahead and do the reveal for our color and see what we have this year. Looks like we got the blue. Big surprise. If you know me at all, you know I like the color blue. So this is a very nice looking blue right here. Well done, Samsung. Give you a little bit of that camera action. So it's a very light blue. Let me see if I can show you guys my last year Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me get this up out of this grip case just to show you guys. And I'll do some comparisons. So I'll make this video worthwhile for you to watch, okay? Because there's not a lot that goes on with these unboxings nowadays. So this is my last year, the white Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You guys can see the blue. It's not like a super pronounced blue, but it's just enough. It looks real nice. So again, comparison to last year just for some contrast. So let's see what we get in the box. I'm going to put this to the side, kind of keep that in shot for you guys to be able to appreciate that blue. Bottom's not going to have nothing in it, so let's put this back over here. Bring it over. And you already know, guys, the typical Samsung shenanigans is going to be going on. Nothing super special in here, just manuals, your USB-C. We'll set that out because we'll use that. And then, of course, you should have, there it is right there, a SIM ejection tool. So nothing really fancy. So that's why I say this unboxing is, I try to make it a little bit exciting for you guys, give it some of my energy. But to be honest, at no fault of my own, it can be a little bit lackluster. So without that, y'all, let's go ahead and just do some comparisons. I'm actually going to weigh this because I want to see the weight difference and see how much lighter it is. And at least power it on so you guys can just kind of see that screen, okay? So let's go ahead and bring in our scale and weigh this sucker. So we got our scale right there. Let's scoot this over just a little bit, get that powered on. So let's first get a baseline, okay? So we've got the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this is last year's hotness. And as you guys can see, that is coming in at 227 grams, okay? So we're gonna write this out. So we've got 227 grams for last year's model. So we got, yeah, better not make fun of my chicken scratch. I don't want to hear it. We're gonna put that over there to the side until we can get this one weighed. We'll bring in our new blue hotness. And we've got 217. And that actually lines up. I think it is actually supposed to be about 10 grams lighter. So you can see right there, we've got a 10-gram difference between the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and then the S26. You guys, again, I'm gonna go through these real fast. You know the main differences. And if you don't, let me just kind of give you a Cliff Notes version. Number one, it's gonna be thinner than last year's phone. So if you guys can see right here, if I'm doing it justice on camera, they're gonna be thinner. You got new camera bumps, so you guys can see the difference right there in the camera plateaus. Camera's going to be different. The actual S Pen is going to be different this year, so it's a different shape. There's some drama around that, but we're not going to get into that right now. I'll do that in like a review video. And then, of course, the newest hotness is going to be that privacy display. But as I mentioned, guys, short unboxing. I know we're already at 6 minutes, way more than I want it to be. So let's go ahead and power this on so I can give you guys that satisfaction, give you that first peel. And then I'm going to do a video, of course, separately to do my cases, my screen protector install, all that jazz. So here we go for your viewing satisfaction. There's that first peel. And then the first power on. There we go. She's alive. So that's going to be it for this unboxing, guys. Just want to do a quick comparison and weight, show you guys the differences. Not much going on with the USB-C. I'm going to let this get at least turned on to the main menu, and then I'm going to give you guys a separate video of me doing the screen protector install and the setup and all that jazz. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. It's your boy Bobby G. Thank you guys for tuning in for this real quick unboxing, just to show you guys some of the differences in weight and other stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't too rushed for you guys. I appreciate y'all. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.